Hey you all, so welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness, this has been a long awaited video. Anywho, finally, two of my Sephora orders came in that I'd ordered these Fenty cream blushes for. It took quite a while for them to get here because Sephora is super backed up between, between all this coronavirus and I guess they haven't had as many employees working or something. But anyways, it took a long time for these to get here, and today's the day. I have my foundation on, concealer, I've not set anything, and then I have my brows done. So we're going to be testing out these, and then I have this cream Tarte Rainforest of the Sea bronzer and the little brush that goes with it. We're also going to be trying out this cream bronzer as well. So, before we get into the video, do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and ring that bell. So that way you will not miss out on my notifications. I feel like a lot of people do not hit that bell, and I really don't know why. Like, I'm a small YouTuber. I like to support other small YouTubers. So in order to give back and support other small YouTubers, you have to hit the bell notification and select all. Otherwise, you won't be notified of their upload and you won't be supporting them. So, I always hit the bell whenever I subscribe to a channel. And, I don't know. I feel like people aren't doing that on my channel. So, please hit the bell. Alright, rant is over. Let's get into the video, guys. So I picked up 3 colors of the blushes, and I'm excited for these 3 colors. I got Drama Class, which is the purple one, Fugio Flush, which is the orange one, and then Bikini Martini, which is the pink one. So let me open these up real quick. Okay, here's what the packaging looks like on all of them. It's just a white packaging with the word cream on the front. So these are the 3 shades that we are working with today. We've got pink, purple here in the middle, and then an orange one here on the side. I am so excited for all 3 of these shades. This pink one is like really hot pink, but it's not showing that. So here's the hot pink one. It's like a really pretty Barbie doll. And then here's the purple and the orange. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these real quick just so that way we can all kind of get a feeling as to what they look like swatched. So here are the swatches. We've got, first up, we have the Bikini Martini, which is the pink one. The Fugio Fresh 01, which is the orange one. And then Drama Class, which is the purple one. So how I always apply cream blushes, I kind of have to figure out what works for certain cream blushes. Sometimes applying them with your finger works best, and then sometimes applying them with a damp beauty blender like a little guy works best, and then sometimes a dry beauty blender works best. So we're going to test these out first just using a damp beauty blender. I have not set my skin or anything. This is just foundation and concealer. And I am dying to try out the purple one, and I really want to do, I can't wait to try out the orange one and the pink one, but I'm going to try out the purple one today. Let me grab my handy dandy mirror here. They do come with a little mirror in the compact, so that's right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender. I'm just going to kind of stamp and twist a little bit to get some product on here. So I got a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go straight in. Oh, that's not too bad. Like, I was expecting this purple shade to be like really like in your face, like purple, and it actually kind of comes across as like a pinky fuchsia color almost instead. So I'm gonna do the other side. Once I've got the product laid down, I will then go on like a clean side to kind of blend it out. And then if I want to like add a little more, I'll go back in with the side that has the product on it. And then I always put a little bit on my chin. And then a little bit on the bridge of my nose. And I think I'm going to layer this a little bit just to have some fun. I'm going to go in with the pink shade. I'm going to go in with a clean side of the Beauty Blender. I'm just going to take a little bit just because I want my cheeks to be a little bit pinker. That's really pink. That's okay. Okay, those two look really good. Now, granted, I know it kind of looks like I have clown cheeks going on here. I've always learned that with cream products, they will die down just a little bit after you set the face. So I am going to go ahead and try out this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, the bronzer and brush here. Because I also ordered this with the Sephora VIB sale. Here's what the compact looks like of the bronzer. And then you open it up like that. It looks like this. I got mine in the shade Seychelles. I think it's close to the lightest shade. And then here's what the brush looks like. It's really cute. It's kind of big, so I don't know. I'm kind of scared. So I'm just gonna kind of tap the brush. Okay, we got a good amount of product on here. And I'm gonna kind of tap a little bit on my hand just so that way it won't be too like thick when I go in here. And I've never really worked with cream bronzer, I'm gonna be honest. I only have one cream bronzer, which is a small little mini matchstick one from Fenty. And I've only did that like on a no makeup day. So I've never had foundation and like been scared to mess it up. So okay, that doesn't look too bad. I'm kind of like tapping it instead of like sweeping because I feel like that might buff it into the skin a little better. I do feel like it's really blending into the skin nicely, and it's like not like, sometimes I worried about it being like too ashy because I know this is kind of supposed to be like a contour color, and contours are kind of like more cool toned. So I don't know, I feel like that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and set my face real quick and kind of finish up a few things, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I got my face finished, put on a little eyeshadow, a little mascara, nothing too crazy today. So I feel like the blush is not near as like strong. What's the word I'm looking for? Like pigmented. It's not as pigmented as it was when I first applied it. After I set my face, I applied a little highlighter. And I did go ahead and bronze my skin, but you can still kind of see the contour here. I am going to really enjoy trying to figure out this cream contour situation. But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. These cream blushes by Fenty Beauty, I tried out the pink and the purple one today. They both blended in like a dream. It took like 2 seconds to blend it in with my foundation. Highly recommend you picking them up, and yeah, I think they're well worth. I think they're right at $20 a piece. They're amazing, really worth it if you enjoy cream products. And if you're new to cream products, I recommend trying them out because they're like beginner friendly, I feel like. And yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe before you leave. And don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching. Check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.